How to flush DNS cache in Windows. To flush your DNS cache, go to Windows and then here search for CMD. Now on the right side, click on Run as Administrator. Paste /flush DNS and then click on Enter. And there you go. So we have successfully flushed the DNS cache. Now close the CMD panel and then go to Windows and then go to Power button. Click on Restart and that's it. And that's how you can flush your DNS cache on Windows. Hope that this video helped you out. If you found this helpful, please consider to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.